Well, hello there, friend. Tonight feels like a good night to slow things down. Just a warm fire, rolling steady like it knows its purpose. The way it moves, never quite the same from one moment to the next. It crackles, it pops. And you sit with it long enough, it kind of settles you down. No rush, no noise, just steady warmth and a little time to think. I brought along a Vaporeon tin with me tonight. And inside are 4 packs. Got an evolving skies, chilling rain, and battle styles, and a base set. We're going to open this one right here. And that's okay. So breathe it in, December light, and carry calm into the night. Until we meet the trails again, may who wonder find you now and then. Until next time, stay joyful, stay curious, and as always, may your packs be full of wonder.